The installation of a fence in the backyard has a lot of advantages. Installing a fence around the back of your home is one of the most effective ways to give the impression that someone lives there. It has the ability to make the location feel more secure and to provide the user with additional privacy. Furthermore, it is possible that this purchase will improve the aesthetic attractiveness of your property. Installing a fence around your backyard is one of the most effective ways to boost the security of your property. Because the fence prevents anyone who has not been invited to enter your backyard from entering. You will have the impression that you have more privacy in your backyard. Considerations to make when choosing between fence types. Fence construction is an important component that should be incorporated into every property. They not only make your home more private and secure, but they also increase the aesthetic value of your home, which is important. Fences are a fantastic investment. A variety of factors must be taken into account when planning for your fence. It is vital for you to consider the amount of spacing that you want between the posts, the type of material that you want, and whether you want a picket or board-style fence. After you've decided on the necessities, it's time to choose the finishing touches that will truly set your fence apart from the others in the neighborhood. There are numerous factors to consider when determining which type of fence would best meet your needs and be the most cost-effective overall. You have a vast range of fencing alternatives from which to pick. Among these materials are chain link, vinyl, wood, and aluminum, to name a few. If you do not want a fence made of metal or chain link, you can choose a fence made of wood or vinyl instead. You can also choose to have a metal fence installed on your property. You should conduct some study on the many types of fences available so that you may select the type that will be most effective in reaching your objectives. If your fence is broken and has to be repaired, you will need the aid of a fencing contractor. If the fence is in poor condition, it is strongly advisable that the entire construction be removed to guarantee that there are no difficulties with the level of safety. Building a fence in the backyard is one of many things you can do to increase the value of your home, which is why you should think about it. The average cost of installing a fence in a backyard runs from $2,000 to $3,000. So you should budget accordingly. This cost includes both the labor required to finish the installation as well as the supplies required. Installing a fence around your garden has several benefits, not the least of which is protecting the safety of your children. Furthermore, they provide you with a one-of-a